मैंने आपका जो क्वेश्चन था सबको पूछा है, सो व्हाट स्टॉपिंग देम फ्रॉम अ जीएम, तो यार एक वो हो जाएगा कि आपको ही पूछना है, सो व्हाट स्टॉपिंग यू फ्रॉम बिकमिंग अ जीएम.
Amruta, sorry.
I had one question for you. What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
My rating.
Okay. That's simple and plain answer. So what's your good name?
Maham.
Thank you so much. I have one question for you. What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
What?
What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
Money.
Money. That's the first answer I have not expected. So what's your good name?
Tushar Deshpande.
All the best for future, brother. Question for you. What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
मैंने अब तक एक रेटेड को भी नहीं हराया है. आप जीएम का बात कर रहे हो.
What's your good name?
अथर्व घुगे.
Thank you so much for your time, bye. Okay. So I have one question for you. What's stopping you from becoming a GM? First I'll ask you.
Was stopping, okay, the age now.
Okay. And what about you?
Strength and discipline. I think with discipline I can become GM in 2-3 years.
Oh wow. Thank you so much for your time. Your good name?
Prathamesh.
Your good name?
Sandeep.
Sir? Thank you so much. Thank you. One question for you. What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
I don't have enough FIDE rating to become a GM.
Okay. So you will work on this FIDE rating.
Yes.
Okay. All the best. So what's stopping you from becoming a GM?
My competitive exam. I am giving a competitive exam, so I cannot concentrate on chess. That's it.
All the best for your future. Take care.
Yeah, thank you.
so
Same
much.
to you.
Your good name?
Smith Adhikar.
Thank you so much. Hi. What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
Practice.
Okay.
Yes, practice.
What's your good name?
Soham Joshi.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank
So I have one question for you. What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
The rating.
Okay. And you?
Same rating.
Okay. What's your good name?
Dhruv for it.
Garvil.
Thank you so much. All the best for your future. Question पूछना था तुम लोग को. What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
School and padhai, parents.
And you?
Lack of talent.
Okay. Your good name?
Dhairya.
There. Sadhama. I've seen you on Instagram.
Hey, thank you so much. All the best for your future. Take care. Thank you. Bye, log. I have one question for you. What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
Myself.
Nice.
No, I am not disciplined. That's the
Oh,
fact.
that's a nice answer. And you?
Laziness. Same
Your
answer.
good name?
My name is Neelkant.
And yours? Thank you so much. All the best for your future.
Yeah, thank you.
Guys, I have one question for you. What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
I don't know. My luck.
Huh?
My luck.
Oh, nice. So what's your good name?
Sorry.
Your good name?
राजस वागई.
And yours?
मयूरेश.
All the best for your future. Thank you so much. Thank you. I have one question for you all. So what's stopping you from becoming a GM?
Maybe so that I can represent India because there are not many grandmasters in India.
Not what's stopping you from becoming a GM.
Stopping my mistakes.
Okay. And what about you?
Calculation errors.
Okay, what's your good name?
Arav.
And yours?
Amogambre.
Okay, all the best for your future. Take care. Mayur sir, I have one question for you. What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
GM. Now we are not focused on the gym. We have to focus on this tournament for
Yes.
international chess.
But thank you so much for your support. Yeah, that really means a lot to me. Right?
Welcome.
Thank you so much. I have one question for you. What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
What's stopping you from becoming a GM? The playing style of other players.
Oh, okay. What's your good name?
Huh?
What's your good name?
Pratyush.
All the best. So, what's stopping you from becoming a GM?
Hiding my hunger.
Oh, that's nice answer. So, what's your good name?
Kavan.
Thank you so much. All the best for your future. One question for you. What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
Maybe my attitude.
Okay. And yours?
Maybe doing mistakes and inaccuracies in game.
Okay. All the best for your future. Your good name?
Ayush Tavade.
Viraj.
Thank you so much. One question for you. What's stopping you from becoming a GM? Think. Several hours later.
मेरे भाई को पूछो हेलो मेरे भाई को
What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
गुड क्वेश्चन
Answer it. Your brother didn't answer.
let's say what's stopping me
From becoming a GM.
from becoming a GM I got the answer
Yes.
smartness
Oh, nice. But you have enough smartness that You have answered this question right now. What about you?
Lack of fidelity.
Oh, nice. Technical answer. Thank you so much.
मैंने बोल दिया.
क्या नाम बोला?
रुद्र.
And yours? Oh! Bye guys. So what's stopping you from becoming a GM?
I don't know. Maybe. I'm not sure if I had the answer. I could have become a GM.
But maybe there would be some things, right? Some things lacking discipline or something.
Yeah.
One person answered that rating.
Yeah, that is also one of the thing. Maybe like fear of losing rating and all.
What's your good name?
Sia.
मैंने पूछ रहा था इनको. So what's stopping her from becoming a GM?
तू GM कधी बनणार आहे असं
मतलब काय कठीणाई येते तुझ्या GM बनण्यावर?
GM बनण्यावर तुला काय कठीण आहे
काही नाही अरे. हाय फाय.
ये कल GM बनने वाली है
हाय फाय. आपका नाम बताइए.
स्टार्ट हुआ है.
हाँ स्टार्ट है. पूरा नाम बताइए बस.
मेरा नाम नारायणी उमेश मराठे.
ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर फ्यूचर. बाय बाय.
थैंक यू.
I have one question for you. What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
नसीब.
And yours?
Career.
Okay. What's your good name?
सुशांत जगदने.
Yes.
Arya Gaikwad.
Thank you so much. Sir, I have one question for you all.
Yes, sir.
So what's stopping you from becoming a GM?
Huh?
What's stopping you from becoming a GM? दिमाग की बत्ती जलाओ. बोले.
What's stopping me from becoming a GM?
Yes.
Yeah, it's Magnus Carlsen.
Oh.
Yeah, he's stopping me from becoming a GM. So Magnus Carlsen, I challenge you. Come to India, beat me, and I'll be a GM.
It will be like इसमें मेरा क्या फायदा? आप बताइए. आप ये करो ना कम पूरा कह दीजिए.
I love to beat strong players and become a good player and become a good coach. Good coach is
I
more
have one
important.
question for you also.
Yeah.
What's stopping you from becoming a GM?
प्रैक्टिस ज़्यादा नहीं हो पाती.
पर भाई मेरे को एक बात है भाई, मेरे को 110% पता है ये बंदा भाई बहुत मेहनत करता है. His name is Akshat full name?
प्रजापति.
Akshat Prajapati. One day you will see him becoming IM or GM either. So all the best भाई.
Last time we played with the GM, no?
Yes.
Last time we played with the GM,
Srinath sir.
Srinath sir.
Yes.
So it was a good experience, huh? Right now.
वो बात बताइए, आप जो श्रीनाथ सर के साथ खेले थे आपका कैसा गया था?
अच्छा था गेम. मतलब स्टार्टिंग ठीक किया, फिर बाद में थोड़ा गलती होने लगा.
अरे कोई नहीं भाई, पर वो श्रीनाथ सर ने भी कहा था कि बहुत टफ गेम हुआ था वो,
हाँ
है ना?
हाँ.
So all the best भाई. Bye.
थैंक यू.
Bye sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. तो देखो लास्ट ये मैंने so I have asked everyone so what's stopping them from a GM, but this video will be incomplete if I didn't ask that one person जिनको तुम सब पूछना चाहते हो कि what stopped him from becoming a GM. तो आओ IM के पास चलते हैं. प्लीज़ गेस करो कमेंट में. अभी सही देखते हैं कौन सही गेस करता है कि वो कौन सा IM है जिसके पास अभी मैं जाने वाला हूँ. तो लेट्स सी. मैंने आपका जो क्वेश्चन था सबको पूछा है. सो व्हाट स्टॉपिंग देम फ्रॉम अ GM. तो यार एक वो हो जाएगा कि आपको ही पूछना है. सो व्हाट स्टॉपिंग यू फ्रॉम बिकमिंग अ GM?
Amruta, sorry, Chess Base India, nahi. I think overall it's just myself, my fears, and also I could give an excuse of time, saying that I have other things to do, but most likely it's the fear that अगर मैं ये करने लगूँगा तो मेरे को दूसरा बहुत कुछ छोड़ना पड़ेगा. And what if this does not work out or something like this? Because I think anyway it should be an interesting journey. So it's a very good question actually to ask people, and then they start thinking about it. So I will now start thinking.
इनने कहा कि मला काय नाही स्टॉप करणार, ते बनणार.
When someone answers like this, they become a GM. When someone answers like me, they only keep thinking.
Thank you so much. So guys, that's it for the video. Please like, share, subscribe and do let me know ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपको कैसा लगा. तो हम ऐसी और वीडियोस बनाते रहेंगे. बाय बाय, टेक केयर, पीस आउट.